Everyone is saying AI is taking over, that AI will replace jobs, that you don't need skills anymore, that you can make money while doing nothing. And honestly, it sounds convincing. You open social media and you see people saying, I made $1,000 with AI in one day. Passive income with zero effort. Let AI do everything for you. But I had a serious question. What if this is not the full truth? What if AI alone actually makes zero money? So I decided to test something simple. AI versus human. Same goal. Make money online. Same time. Same system. And no shortcuts. What I discovered completely changed how I see AI. Here's exactly what I did. I created a simple challenge. 2 sides. On one side, AI doing everything. On the other side, human effort without AI. Both trying to do the same thing. Make money online. No audience. No budget. No followers. No experience. Just execution. And to make it fair, I gave both sides the same system. Create content, get attention, turn that attention into money. Simple system, but powerful. And this is where things got interesting. I started with AI. No thinking, no editing, no strategy, just prompts. I opened an AI tool and typed, "Give me a way to make money online as a beginner." Within seconds, it gave me multiple ideas. Freelancing, content creation, selling digital products, affiliate marketing. It looked perfect, so I picked one: affiliate marketing. Then I asked, "Give me a step-by-step plan." Again, instant response. Pick a niche, create content, promote links, earn commissions. Everything looked structured, clean, professional. Then I went deeper. Write me content for this. And AI-generated posts, scripts, ideas, hooks, all in seconds. At this point, it felt powerful, like I found a shortcut, like I didn't need to think anymore. So I followed everything exactly. No changes, no edits, just copy-paste. Post, and I waited. At first, nothing happened, which I expected. But even after multiple attempts, the results were disappointing. The content looked okay, but it didn't perform. Low views, almost no engagement, no clicks, no money. And I was confused, because technically everything was correct. The strategy was right. The content looked clean, but something was missing. Then I looked closer, and I realized something important. The content felt generic. It felt like something I had already seen. Same style, same structure, same tone. It didn't stand out. It didn't connect. It didn't feel real. And that's when I understood. AI is fast, but it doesn't understand people. It doesn't know what makes someone stop scrolling. It doesn't understand emotions. It doesn't understand trust. Let's take a real example. Imagine 2 videos. One says, top 5 ways to make money online using AI. The other says, I tried making money with AI for 24 hours and this happened. Both are about the same topic, but one feels real, the other feels generic. And AI almost always gives you the first type. So I continued the test. Now I switched. No AI, just human effort, thinking from scratch, coming up with ideas manually, writing content myself, planning everything. And honestly, it was hard, really hard. What AI did in seconds now took hours. Sometimes I got stuck. Sometimes I ran out of ideas. Sometimes the content didn't feel good enough. But something was different. It felt real. It had personality. It had direction. It had intention. Now when I posted this content, the results were different. Not viral, not crazy, better. More engagement, more watch time, more connection. People actually responded. And that's when I realized something powerful. Humans understand humans. But there was still a problem. Speed, I couldn't keep up. I couldn't produce content daily at scale. And consistency is everything. So I tried something different. Instead of choosing one, I combined both. This time I used AI, but not blindly. I used it as a tool, not as a replacement. For example, I asked AI for ideas, but I didn't use them directly. I filtered them. I picked the best one. I made it more specific, more real, more relatable. Then I used AI to generate a script, but I changed the hook. I added curiosity. I made it more engaging. I made it sound like a story, not a list. Then I used AI to speed up the process, but I controlled the direction. And now something interesting happened. The content became faster, but also better. More views, more engagement, more retention. And finally, some real results. Not crazy money, but proof. Proof that this works. Let's break this down with real examples. Example 1. Content creation. Without AI, you might take hours to write one script. With AI, you get a draft instantly, but that draft is not the final product. The real value comes from improving it, changing the hook, adding emotion, making it relatable. Example 2. Freelancing. Let's say you offer writing services without AI. You can only handle limited clients because of time. With AI, you can deliver faster, take more clients, increase income. But the client is not paying for AI. They are paying for results, for understanding, for communication. That's human. Example 3. Digital products. AI can help you create ebooks, guides, templates. But if the idea is bad or the positioning is wrong, no one will buy. Again, human thinking matters. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They rely too much on AI. They copy everything. They don't think. They don't improve. They just generate and post. And then they wonder why nothing is working. AI is not a money machine. It's a multiplier. If you have no direction, it multiplies confusion. If you have a good system, it multiplies results. This is where everything clicked for me. The question was never AI versus human. That's the wrong question. The real question is, are you using AI correctly? Because AI alone makes zero money. Human alone is too slow. But together, that's where the real opportunity is. So if you're trying to make money with AI, here's what you should do. Step 1. Think like a human. Pick a niche. Understand the audience. Know what people actually want. Step 2. Use AI for execution. Generate ideas. Create drafts. Speed up your workflow. Step 3. Improve everything. Make it better. Make it clearer. Make it more engaging. Step 4. Stay consistent. Because nothing works instantly. Let's be real for a moment. If AI alone made money, everyone would be rich. But that's not happening. Because tools don't make money. Systems do. And the best system right now is simple. Human thinking plus AI execution. So AI versus human. Who makes more money? Not AI. Not humans alone. Humans who use AI properly. If you've been struggling with AI, now you know why it's not the tool. It's how you use it. Stop looking for shortcuts. Start building systems. Start thinking. Start improving. Because that's what actually works. And if you understand this early, you're already ahead of most people. Now the real question is, are you going to use AI the right way? Or keep doing what everyone else is doing? Because that decision changes everything.